Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when working with large files. The problem at hand involves extracting a specific block of text from a file without knowing the exact ending pattern to look for. It's a tricky situation, but fear not, we'll find a solution together. Now, let's delve into the solution for our problem. The clever solution involves using an AWK command that allows us to handle the varying ending patterns within a text block. By carefully crafting the regex patterns and utilizing conditional statements, we can accurately extract the desired block of text. The key lies in detecting the indentation levels to capture the necessary information effectively. Continuing with the solution, let's break down the components of the provided AWK command. The script sets markers when encountering the board info line and then proceeds to accumulate the indented block of text by checking for the specific indentation level. This intelligent approach ensures that only the relevant information is captured while handling the dynamic ending pattern gracefully. Moving forward with the solution, we come across another crucial part of the AWK command. Here, the script effectively prints out the accumulated text block once the end conditions are met. By strategically managing the buffer contents and indent levels, the script delivers the extracted block seamlessly without any unnecessary data. It's a fine-tuned process that guarantees accurate results every time. To wrap things up, we've successfully navigated through the problem of extracting a specific block of text from a file with varying ending patterns. The provided AWK command proves to be a versatile and reliable tool in handling such scenarios efficiently. Remember, when dealing with complex text manipulation tasks, a thoughtful approach and a bit of coding finesse can go a long way. And with that, we've reached the end of our exploration. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Like this video if it brought a smile to your face, and drop a comment below to share your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!